me 90 seconds and I'm going to share exactly how to optimize your Instagram profile so more people want to follow you and buy your stuff. Remember, you're not following me for my handwriting or drawing skills. Let's go. This is your Instagram profile. I want you to start looking at it as a storefront. Your bio is your signage. Your grid is your storefront, the windows, people looking in to see what's going on, what the vibe is like. And your stories are the open door. It shows you're open for business and that you're active. Now the breakdown. First, your name field. This is different than your username. This is searchable. It needs to have your name as well as keywords. You have 60 characters here. Use them wisely. So include words that people are searching to find you. If you're a hyperlocal business, make sure your city and or state is mentioned there as well. Then your bio, which is directly underneath. This is going to be your I help statement, your power statement, what your business is and what's in it for them. Directly underneath is your link to your website, your podcast. You can add multiple if you'd like. Don't make it crazy and look like a Cheesecake Factory menu, and make it easy to navigate. A bonus right here, I highly suggest when you have a professional account, adding your city and state so that people can place you. Next, your grid. These first three can be pinned, meaning no matter what content you add, these three stay. And when it comes to these three, I want you to think of the top menu bar of a website. You typically have an about, product, services, and maybe something like blog, a freebie, or right? Same thing. First is about you. Second, something that generates sales. Number three, something free value, whether it's a blog post you repurpose, a reel that did really well, or something that leads to your free opt-in. And then of course, the big one, stories. This is your open door. This invites people into your store. It allows you to bond with your audience. And when a new visitor lands on your page, they look at all this, then they look at your stories and they hit follow with a quickness.